In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a child theme in WordPress. But before we get into it, let's talk a little bit about what is a child theme. A child theme is not a standalone theme. It is a theme that is derived from your parent theme, hence the name child theme. So you might be wondering, why do you need a child theme? Why can't you just make direct changes to your main parent theme and be done with it? Changes like CSS or HTML or custom code that you want to add in the back end. Well, the simple reason behind it is you want to stay up to date on your parent theme. And when you update your parent theme, as inevitable updates will come out, then the changes that you made will get overridden. To account for this, you create a child theme, leave your parent theme alive and in place, but you activate your child theme. Your parent theme needs to exist, but your child theme needs to be one that is active, meaning the one that gets derived from the parent theme. And after this, you can update your parent theme as theme updates become available, because most of the attributes of your parent theme would have been carried over to your child theme that you'll be using, so the page will look and feel the same. How do we do it? Well, there are several methods. There are more complicated methods, although they're not extremely complicated, where you can code your entire child theme in the back end. But there are plugins out there that simplify this experience quite a bit. So for the purposes of this particular video, let's do it that way. So open your WP admin. First thing you should do is back up the site in its current format. I've shown you how to back it up in other videos, so go and check that out. You're going to be looking for my updraft video. So after you've backed it up, go to the left side of your WP admin page and go on plugins. And when you're at plugins, click on add new. Scroll down, go down to the search button and type in child theme configurator. It is this one that I use, but there are probably other ones out there that you can experiment with. So this one shows it has 300,000 active installations. Seems good. If I click on more details, it talks a little bit about itself. And it has 238 5-star reviews at this time. So going to click on install now. I'm going to click activate. Now on the left side, I need to go to tools, and now child themes will show up. It does. I'm going to scroll down, and here is the child theme configurator. Here, because this site does not have a child theme, I'm going to click on create a new child theme. I will click analyze. So on the left side, you click on tools, click on child themes, then click on create a new child theme. If you already have one existing, you can go in and configure it and modify it. The important thing here when you create the child theme is on this drop-down menu, make sure you choose the theme you're currently using as your child theme, if that's the one you want to create. If you may have downloaded a whole lot of themes, but you may only be using one currently, so you want to focus in on that one. Click on Analyze. Go through the warnings, see if they are applicable to you. If not, move forward. If they are, resolve them as necessary. I'm simply going to take almost all of the default settings. I am going to click on this option where it says copy menu, widgets, and other customizer settings from parent theme to the chart theme. That makes sense to me. And I'm going to click on create new child theme. It says the child theme has been generated successfully. Important, preview your child theme. So you should click that button and verify that it's working as desired. So I clicked that button, it took me to the page. I went through the pages and the links, they look fine to me. So I'm going to click on activate and publish. And now it's published and using the child theme. Next, go back to your WP admin page and on the left side go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Scroll down, you should notice your parent theme is no longer active, but it still needs to remain in place. You have this new theme that's active, that's whatever the parent theme's name is, child. So you know you're working with the child theme. If it doesn't work out for you, just go to your parent theme and click on activate or change themes as necessary. Next, under appearance, you will notice there is a theme editor. It will give you a heads up and a warning about you appear to be making direct edits to your theme and WordPress dashboard. We recommend you don't. Editing your theme directly could break your site and your changes may be lost in future updates. If you decide to go ahead and direct edit anyways, use the file manager to create a copy with a new name and hang on to the original. That way you can re-enable a functional version if something goes wrong. That's very good advice. I wouldn't work directly in here. I just want to show you guys that you can reach this spot. Click I understand. Notice here you have your styles.css, your functions.php. I wouldn't actually even work directly in there. I would use include and required files as necessary within those frames and create my own structure outside of those that get referenced inside one of those files. So, but I want you guys to be aware these exist. When you start working with them more, then perhaps use some better editor and then create an FTP account for your backend. That's you want to, again, keep very secure, keep a very large password there, keep it disabled when not in use. And then use some editor, attach it to the FTP, and go directly to that file and make direct edits as necessary. Remembering to always make backups of your entire site prior to doing that, and making backups of the files that you're working with that day. One letter change, a slip of the comma, or an introduction of an element can break your site completely. Be aware of that when you're making edits, and then you should be in better shape, knowing that you can break things and you need to back up constantly. Hope this video has been useful to you on how to quickly set up a chart theme. and hopefully it saves you a lot of time in the future. If it has been useful, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next one.